Kilai teligi regional committee balathau nakabenta banwat ya kimat bayday bat kejingnya kacaput bat ka Assam kilai kendo ha kasnginingkong bat lashim ya karai ban hiya shakaput nakabenta ban sakhi balap hi ya kejinglong juman kejing jurep jong gini ki committee kan Pynbeit pat da kejing Pynbeit Pynbiang ya kakai phot ka ban sapha sha menteri rangba ka jela bat ya ka ba on sa ai ru sha ka Assam kini kilai teligi committee kata kawai nakabenta ka West Coast Hills Ribhoi bat East bat Western Hills district lakli da ki menteri bat hakaba ki MLA bat MDC nalor kinong lam shnong kilong rukum ki dekhot jongkam ki khat atli ki jaka ki badan haplen ke jinga kaca put kilong ka upper tarabari ke gizang ke reserve forest ka hahim kalangpi bodwar nongwa mautomur piling kata khanapara desh di moria khanduli khirni psiar nagabenta jo block 1 bat block 2 bat karata chara Kawas kasil sekabah papua kejingelam da umenteri ketanat PCI ubak Renikton lingno tongkar ubat ubak brol nong sit keriboy hapua kejingelam usebut menteri rangba ubak Preston tensong bat umenteri ubak da sekhet lamare katba ka East bat West Gentle Hills onyalam da ki menteri bakentup ya ubak lakman rembui bat ubak singo balangdar katkum kejinge thu jong ubak Renikton lingno tongkar laong baka kenhon kanyar sekejaka badan jingaja hawas kasil sa ka Southrik mentau benai bat harin kani on sapha pat ya kakai phot ka papura sha umenteri rangba ka jelam Lakmi lenti bayakani ka kaipot on Pynbeit Pynbiang no ha kasanterik khnang banyo apat ban ailang sa menteri rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ha kajialang ka balabu ban pelong ha kan rotarik mentau banai hagati ubak renik ulong bakumba kalong mentahi omdan lachu da kumoy pat ban Pynbeit uput usam lat nyotang da ka give and take policy ne ka jing ai bat sim jaka markeliang bat ha ka bau lakan turu ya ka Assam bakan khamperkhat namar kalong kum ka kemi Habaklan hagabayde bat kecinghe palat kedor register jaka kaput ubak Renikton ulaban baladon kam banwa jakilat kelenti ban penduna ya kabai pendrung ne register jaka kabala long he bhan na kabenta kipat ba ban pendrung keteng ya ke jaka ke jongki.
Since you all know that there was a committee in the district in the area of differences, there was a committee constituted by the government and one committee in West Coast Hill I'm heading as the chairperson of the committee. So we have decided to inspect the area of differences within the district West Coast Hill on 4th, day after tomorrow. Myself and then Honorable Minister Babrol, who is the co-chairperson, and we will try to take along some of the representatives. Of course, along with the official from the district West Coast Hills, we'll be going to inspect all those villages falls on those recognized 12 area of differences. So that is the information that I can give you as of now. Where we will also be going, some of us, to go along with our chief minister. And we should have the report, brief report, short report, whatever we can do when we come from our inspection. We have one day on 5th where we can compile the report, whatever we can get from that inspection. Most of the people, we understand that if we really want to find a solution, it seems that there is no other way to find a solution except give and take. I just want to reiterate it again that by give and take we expect big heart from Assam. We expect big heart from Assam, and I wish that will happen. I wish that will happen because they are the parent state. From them we got Meghalaya. So as parents, I think they will consider to give enough space for the children when they go out. So I hope, I still expect Assam also, they will not feel like they are giving to foreigners, but they are giving to their own daughters, to their own children. So taking that into consideration, we hope we will be benefiting, and Assam will have a big heart to give those land, especially those land in possession by the people of Meghalaya for many years, for 100 years. So those land we expect that Assam would give and will declare that they belong to Meghalaya.